Nice to meet you, dear my friends, my teachers, my YouTube channel community, and my LinkedIn members. Today, I will show you how to create a strong shoulder assembly composer. The highlights from the initial out to the final output. This, for the next time, you will see how to work each components from the single point up to the final output, creating the masonry ditch, concrete ditch, V-shaped ditch, and trapezoidal ditch. As you see, this ditch we can use for many types of ditch. As you see, this is trapezoidal ditch, and by changing the ditch type, we can change to reinforced concrete ditch. We said click this one, and we will change to the concrete ditch. Yeah, this is the concrete ditch we will use for the R1 road by on the top of masonry by creating the top cover slab, and we can change this also to the masonry ditch. This is the concrete ditch. It will be changed to the masonry ditch. Wait small times. Yeah, this is the masonry ditch. We will work by the slope of this, and the first type of ditch, the trapezoidal ditch, can be changed to V-shaped ditch. This is only by changing the number or the width of the trapezoidal ditch, make or change into 0. You will see how to change this trapezoidal ditch into V-shaped ditch. This is our trapezoidal ditch. We will get here. As you see, this is the ditch width. This ditch width, if you see, ditch width is double the length of ditch width is in this condition 0.6 meter. We can change this into 0. It will change it to V-shaped ditch, and we can using the ditch for any section is what you want to V-shaped ditch, and we will model a corridor. Yeah, we can use like this. We will change back into trapezoidal ditch. Yeah, it will change it to the trapezoidal ditch. And also, one interesting things earlier, they also classified the soil type for the weak soil, for the weathered rock and strong rock. By this, they create the bench height by this soil. We'll change this target into, for example, 30 meter. How the slope of these different types of soil will be changed. As you see, this is by the weak soil. If you change to weathered rock, you will see what will be the effect. Yeah, it will sharpen, and no need too much of space. This is the weather rock, and change this to the strong rock. When we change the type of excavation, there are 3 types of excavation we will use for our project. Currently we use at different places. They will be also use too much types of excavation, but when we use those excavation methods, the slope will be changed by this method by different of standards. This is for the trapezoidal ditch with a soil with a strong rock soil type. And also we can use also the difference, the curve slopes we can change all. There are different types of inputs we will give for the good output. Everything now you see in the screen will be work for the next time, step by step, starting from the crown or single point, as you see. This is our starting points. This is the asphalt layer, the base course, sub-base, and capping layer. We will put this depth of this pavement layers. For now, it will be an introduction how we create this. For the next time, I will work this and we will work together. You open the sub-assembly composer and you follow each steps to work more. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you.